Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and in this video we will go over downloading and installing new effects and patches to your G5n. When new effects are released for your G5n, you can download them to your device using Guitar Lab. Open the program, connect your G5n to your computer via USB, then power on the device. Under the Effects tab, you will see newly released effects. Go to the drop-down menu and install each new effect. To download custom patches for your G5n, go to zoom-na.com. You can find the newest patch releases under the G5n Downloads section. On this page, you will find a zip file that contains the patch files. Download and unzip this folder. Select all of the patch files and drag and drop them into Guitar Lab. Once the patches are imported to Guitar Lab, you can move them to your G5n. To prevent the loss of any previously downloaded custom patches, back up your device's current settings by clicking the Backup All button on the bottom right of the patch screen. Select an open patch bank on your G5n, right-click on the patches you want to import, then select Copy to Device Memory. For more information and product updates, please go to zoom-na.com.